So I just heard about one of the most sophisticated scam attempts I've ever seen hit one of my trading clients. And if she hadn't called me immediately, she would have lost everything: her trading account, her savings, and possibly her identity. This scam is so convincing that even experienced traders are falling for it, not beginners. Even active traders who think they'd spot something like this instantly. What happened to my client Sarah is honestly terrifying. And this scam is being targeted directly at traders like you and me right now. The precision is what makes this dangerous. Sarah's been trading for about 3 years, mostly day trading, some swing trading mixed in. She's careful, she's disciplined, and she's not new to online security. Last Tuesday morning, she got what looked like an urgent alert from her broker's app. It warned her about suspicious activity on her account. Instant stress trigger for any trader, right? The alert looked perfect. Correct logo, proper colors and fonts. Everything matched her real broker. Nothing about it raised red flags. She tapped it. She landed on what looked like exactly her broker's login page. She entered her credentials without hesitation. Most traders would have done the same thing. Here's where things get scary. After logging in, the site showed her what looked like an actual account balance and some recent trades. That's how advanced these scams have become. The scammers seem to have partial access to her data, enough to make it feel real, enough to kill skepticism. Then all of a sudden, the site displayed a warning. It showed a pending $12,000 withdrawal from another country, almost half of her trading account. The site told her to immediately call a security number to stop it. The number looked legit and even had the same area code as her broker. And this is where most people lose everything. A professional sounding rep answered the phone using the broker's name, and they walked her through a security verification. It sounded official, calm, and rehearsed. They asked her for her trading password. They asked her for a social security number, then her mother's maiden name. And here's the trap. They already knew some of her personal information, and that's what makes people comply. Then came the final step. They told her to temporarily move her funds into a secure holding account. That's the kill shot. They even emailed her an official-looking form. It had the right legal language, disclaimers, broker's branding. It all looked real. But here's what saved her. Sarah remembered something I hammer into my clients. Real brokers never ask you to move funds externally for security. And by the way, if you like this kind of protection baked into your setup, grab my complete guide to trading computers. There's a link to it in the description below. Now, Sarah, instead of transferring the money, hung up. She called her broker directly using the real number from their website, and everything unraveled. There was no suspicious activity. There was no withdrawal. There was no breach. The entire thing was fake. A precision-engineered scam designed to drain her account fast, and it almost worked. Now, this scam is especially dangerous for traders because traders are used to moving fast under pressure. Scammers exploit that instinct. These fake platforms are getting scary good. They have live charts, real-time pricing, market news feeds. Some of them actually look better than legitimate trading platforms. They also research you on social media, trading forums, LinkedIn. They know your broker, they know your markets, they know your habits. They look at all your posts, they get to know who you are. So here's how you protect yourself, and this is the part that matters. First, never click links in brokers' emails, texts, or notifications. Don't click those links ever. If you get an alert, close the alert and log in directly to your broker's website by typing the URL yourself. And this rule applies everywhere, to your bank accounts, your PayPal accounts, credit card accounts, your crypto platforms, all of them. If any financial institution messages you, don't click on the link. Go to their site or the app on your own. That one habit alone will save your accounts. Second, real brokers will never ask you to move money externally, not temporarily, not for security. If somebody asks you to do that, it's a scam. Third, always verify by calling your broker directly. Use the number on their official website or even the statement you got sent in the mail. Never on numbers that were texted or emailed to you. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Use strong, unique passwords and use a password manager. I happen to use something called RoboForm. This is a non-negotiable for traders right now. Now, this last one is critical. Stop oversharing your trading life online. Stop showing screenshots of your trading wins or your balances, all of it. Stop telling people where you trade and how much you made. In Sarah's case, she shared a couple of her trading wins with a screenshot that she thought she had redacted the account information. The scammers were able to reverse engineer that. The account size, the broker layout, timing, it added up. The more you share, the more ammo you give them. Silence is security. These scams are exploding across the financial world and the banking world, and traders are prime targets because real money is involved. Do me a favor, slow down, verify everything, trust your instincts. If this video helped you, do me a favor, share it with another trader. Awareness is the best defense right now, and it might save someone's account. And before you go, grab the complete guide to trading computers. It's in the link below this video. And if you know you're ready to upgrade to the latest technology for trading, we've got an awesome machine on sale right now. Click the link in the description below. And yo, WTF, how come you haven't subscribed yet? Make sure you slam that subscribe button so you don't miss warnings like this. My name is Eddie Z. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see the absolute best computer for trading that money can buy, watch this video next. And as always, may the trend be with you.